Okay guys, today I'm going to do a video on changing the blade on an OS31 from Frontier. I start by loosening this up a lot. Pushing it back. Take this nut out. Unlatch the latch. Lock it up. The other latch. Lock it up. I got a lot of sawdust in here. I'm going to raise this. So you just wiggle the blade off. This one was getting dull. I was getting a lot of waves in my boards. This is a new blade. It's a saber tooth that I bought, and this has been sharpened I think 3 times, so this might be its last time. Catching. There's rivets up here on the top it catches on. Okay, it's in between the guides. Tighten it up a little bit. And walk it around. And I tighten it up all the way until it bottoms out. Bottomed out, and then usually I come back 1 turn. I like to set my blade so that the back of the blade is flush with the back of the wheel. And it should be this way. Yep, this is back of the blade is flush with the back of the wheel. Latch it back up.